In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can edit text in Photoshop. Okay, so I'm just going to hit the text tool right now, and I'm just going to write out something real quick. So I'm going to write, "This is awesome." Okay, and as you can see, if I type out that text and then hit the tick mark, you can see there's my text. Now, if I want to edit this, okay, all I have to do is make sure, because it's going to be selected because you probably moved it around or something, you want to make sure that you select the T symbol again, the text, or you can type T on your keyboard to select that. Then you just want to click anywhere on the text itself. So for an example, here where the spelling mistake is, I'm going to click there, and then you can edit your text how you want. So I could write, "This is great." Okay, and then you just need to hit the tick mark to verify that, and that's it. That's how simple it is to edit text in Photoshop. So if this helped you out, drop a like onto this video, and I'll see you in the next one.